Okay, so this is how you make a quiz in Canvas. So you're going to go to quizzes, and you can click on this plus sign and go with the classic quizzes is what I normally do. We are moving to new quizzes, but for now you could probably just select classic quizzes. Okay, so once you do that, you have these three tabs here. Detailed is where you're going to type the title of the quiz, and if you want to type any instructions, you may use your notes or whatever instructions you want them to have for the general test. Now, down here is where you have to select what quiz type. Graded quiz is what you would select, and what assignment group you want it to go in. You can put a time limit if you want to, and you can set it to let them see the correct answers at a certain time. You would click on, let's say you wanted them to see it April the 11th. They could show the correct answers, and maybe you only wanted them to see them for a day. You could do that. If you don't want them to see the correct answers, you can check it off. And then you can put your due date here. So if you wanted it due March the 28th, you would put that. If you want it to be available a little bit later, for those that may not take it on time or forget to, you can leave it open longer. So it'll show up in their Canvas that it's due on March 28th, but this gives them time after to submit, and you can see if they submitted it late. Or you can just leave that blank. And then in the questions, this is where you can click on a new question, and you can decide if you want it to be multiple choice or not, and you could type your question here, and you could decide how many points you wanted it to be, and then put your answer choices. Now if you didn't want to put multiple choice and you wanted it to be essay, you could change it. You could do true, false, fill in the blank. Just select what type of question you want, and you can do as many multiple choice as you want. I'm going to do 3. Once you get the question in there, you click update question, and then your question will be there, and you can go in and see the answer choices. Now for the correct answer, let's say the correct answer is Wednesday, you would select Wednesday for the correct answer. Click update question. If you wanted a new question, you would click this. And then you really don't have to worry about mastery paths. If you wanted to see the question detail, you could click on that. That's just for you. When you get done, you click save and publish. And then after you have set your quiz up, you have to go into modules and actually put the quiz into your module. So I'm just going to put it in week 1. I would click plus, and I would select quiz, and here it is right here, and then I would hit add. And then you can see it there, and they can see the due date and how many points that it is worth. So that's how you make a quiz in Canvas.